Hi and welcome to LaShenny21Nails. I'm Jenny. If you enjoy my content and you haven't subscribed yet, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button. It's free. For today's manicure, I applied this pink polish which I mixed myself. I'll be stamping from the Beauty Bigbang XL-031 Christmas stamping plate which was sent to me for review. I'll also use my green and gold stamping polishes from the same brand. I stamped this beautiful design using the gold polish on all my nails except my middle finger. For that one, I chose a beautiful Christmas tree design. I stamped the star in gold and the tree in green. After cleaning up, I applied a clear top coat and this is the finished manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Today's was really simple, but it's very delicate. You can find links to the products I use in the description box of the video, as well as a discount code you can use if you purchase anything on beautybigbang.com. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!